How to add products to Shopify. So go to Shopify and log into your store. Then once you're in your dashboard, look for the products on the sidebar. Click that, then click the Add Your Products button. Once you're in the Add Product form, just fill out the name of your product along with its description and pictures. As for the price, you can set a compare at price, which means that this is the original price and the price text box is the discounted price. For the cost per item option, this is just for monitoring your profits. Checking the track quantity features allows you to keep track of your stocks. Then input the number of the products you have. The next two check boxes are up to you if you want to check them or not. For shipping purposes, you'll need to input the weight along with the measurements of the product. Then you can also have the product be shipped internationally. Next up, you have the variants option. This is where you can set different sizes, colors, and also the prices and quantity for different variations of your product if there are any. After filling this up, click Save. Then you can edit and finalize your product, like putting pictures on the variants of the product. Then to check if it's good, just hit back on the top left and you should see your product posted. So that is how to add products to Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.